What's up, guys? Welcome to another beats making episode. It's your boy SD Music back again with another beats making tutorial. It's a beautiful day out here in the south, and the birds are outside doing their thing. In today's video, we're gonna be making the Tekno featuring Zlatan type of beat in FL Studio. If you need the beat, let me know. Let's go. In today's video, we're working with 11 patterns. On pattern 1, we have the percussion instrument. It goes like this. I'm playing this using FPC. Stack up all these instruments together.
SD on the console.
On pattern 2, we have the chord instruments played through high VST. Another version of the chord instruments. Just slight difference there. On pattern 4, we have the lead instruments played through morphine. Just something to spike up the beat a little bit. So on pattern 5, we have the arpeggio instruments also played through morphine VST. On pattern 6, we have the bass instruments played through Toxic Biohazard. Alright. On pattern 7, we have the kick instruments. Cool. On pattern 8, we have another version of the kick instruments with slight difference. Cool. On pattern 9, we have the 808 instruments. Just play it out and chop them up to use in between the track. On pattern 10, we have another version of the 808 instruments with slight difference as well. Cool. On pattern 11, we have the last instrument, which is the drum rolls and some risers and what have you, played together in this particular sequence, also used as a variation in between tracks. So here I've stacked up the FPC, the kick, and the 808. Let's see what's inside. I think at one point I just used some of these 808s to spike up the drum roll. And just some of that. And at the end of the day, we have this track right here.
SD on the console.
guys, that's one way of doing it. That's one way of creating is Zlatan featuring techno type of beats in FL Studio. So I see you next time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and peace.